Hi everyone, I'm Angela Stockman. I'm the author of the Writing Workshop Teacher's Guide to Multimodal Composition for grades K-5 and the second edition, which is for grades 6-12. I'm glad that you're here. This course is all about bringing those books to life. If you're familiar with multimodal composition, and even if you've taken this course before, know that this content is newly refreshed. And my hope is that friends who have been along with me on this journey for a while will find that the content that they discover here is uncommon, stuff that they haven't really considered before, and hopefully very practical tools and resources that they can take back to their classrooms. If you were previously registered and completed Make Writing Multimodal Composition up close and across the distance, know that your access to this course costs you absolutely nothing. If you are a new participant, I've added some content and some opportunities for you that hopefully will make your registration fee worth the cost. For example, this course is self-paced, so those of you who choose to register will be able to move through the content at your own pace, revisit it at any time, and you'll have access to it for the lifetime of the course. Each time that I update it or upgrade it, you will also have access to all of that content as well at no additional cost. Those of you that are new participants will be able to choose from one of the two titles that I mentioned earlier. There are two new books coming out this spring. One is the Writing Workshop Teacher's Guide to Multimodal Composition for Elementary Teachers, K-5, and another is especially for middle school and high school teachers. You'll have the opportunity through a survey to let me know which of those titles you're most interested in receiving. I've also built in the opportunity, again, for live upgrades. If you choose to, or live debriefs. If you choose to upgrade your session in that way, you'll have the opportunity to meet with me once a week for 6 weeks to debrief your learning. In addition to that, I'm creating a virtual studio that's much like the one I run on the ground at Damon University, and you and two of your students will have the opportunity to join me for a few hours inside of that studio where we will make and write and try to apply some of the practices that I recommend to you in this course inside of that live environment. If you have questions about whether or not a self-paced or an upgraded and live debriefs experience might be best for you, I hope that you'll reach out to me. My email address is stockmanangela@gmail.com. I'm on Twitter at Angela Stockman. I'm on LinkedIn at Angela Stockman as well. And you can find me at Angela_MakeWriting on Instagram. I'd love to see you through any of those networks, and I'm happy to answer any questions that you might have. If you have a coupon code, please make sure that as you're moving through the registration process, you look for the light blue question, have a coupon. That's where you can enter that particular code to make sure that you get the discount that you deserve. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. I hope that I see some of you in the live debrief sessions, but if I don't, let me know how things are going by dropping me a line. I'd love your feedback.